Welcome back to Mike's Man Cave and welcome back to another detailing product review video. Today I'm going to use my MTM foam cannon to apply this product here. This is called MIRCH Kraken Blizzard. It is supposed to be one of the best foaming car washers out there. I'll put the price that I paid for it up on the screen here. You can also buy it in bulk or larger sizes, and I might put those prices up on the screen for you as well. There's not too much to say. Apparently this stuff is made in Australia. Now it does say you only need about 30 to 40 mil for your 800 mil snow cannon. So you do not need a lot of this, you just need a tiny little bit. Top the rest up with water and that's it. Pretty easy. So you can probably see how much I've put in there, and it's only taken a little bit out the top of this bottle. So this thing should last a long time. Let's have a look at this car and then we'll be spraying this stuff on there to see how it foams up. So as you can see here, the car's in quite a state. It's been in storage for quite some time and it definitely is in desperate need of some cleaning. So we will be giving it a rinse off before we apply the foam. There we go, the car's clean and this stuff works really well. Considering the tiny amount that I've used out of that bottle, I think this is going to last me for years, literally years, especially with all the other stuff that I've already got. Now, how well did it work? Well, it worked really well. The foam was really foamy, it was really thick, and it did clean the car pretty well. There doesn't seem to be any dirt left on the car. I still need to dry it, but I don't need to film that for you guys to watch me dry a car. But overall, I'm pretty happy with this stuff. I'm not sure how much better it is than the cheaper stuff like the Viking Snow Foam, but I am happy with it. I would definitely use it again and I would definitely recommend it. I think the price difference is probably something that you can't see. It's probably in the way that it cleans the paint and the way it protects the paint while it's cleaning it, which is very hard to judge just by making a video and using it. Overall, I'm happy with it. I'd use it again and I would recommend it. If you've used this stuff, leave a comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts on it are. In the meantime, if you enjoyed today's video, do me a favor, give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to smash that subscribe button for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching and bye for now.